Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad H. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very nice algebraic equation with degree 5 which is given as x raised to the power 5 minus 3x square minus 216 is equal to 0, and where x is belongs to positive integers, so we have to find the only roots of this equation which are positive integers. So for this we will first rewrite the given equation as x raised to power 5 minus 3x square. This minus 216 can be taken towards the right hand side and we will get 216 from here. Now we can write it as from these two terms we can take x square common and we will get x cube minus 3 here, which is equal to 216 can be written as 6 raised to power 3. Now we will find the roots by creating symmetry on left hand and right hand side. For this purpose we will break this 6 raised to power 3 as, so we can write the given equation as x square times x cube minus 3 equal to, this 6 can be written as 3 times 2 and whole raised to power 3. Now we can write it as taking the power separately, 3 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 3. Now as on the left hand side the first term has square, so we will write the different pairs to create symmetry, and we can write it as, from this we can write these two terms in three ways as, we can write 2 raised to power 3 as 2 square times 2 times 3 cube. Similarly, we can write it again in another fashion as breaking 3 raised to power 3 as 3 square times 3 and this 2 raised to power 3, or we can write from this again as 6 square times 6. So there are three cases, case 1, case 2 and case 3, and we will use these three cases to find the valid roots of this given equation. Now for case 1, this will become x square times x cube minus 3 equals, uh, we will use first case which is 2 square times 2 times 3 cube, and we can write it as 2 square times 2 times 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27, and now it will become 2 square times 54. So from this, if we somehow convert this 54 into the form of this, now uh, from this first term x square times x cube minus 3, comparing these two terms we will get x is equal to 2, and if x is equal to 2, putting this value in the given equation, as given equation is x raised to power 5 minus 3x square minus 216 is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 2 here in this equation, it will become 2 raised to power 5 minus 3 times 2 square minus 216 is equal to 0. It will become 32 minus 12 minus 216, which is not equal to 0. So this root, if x is equal to 2, then it will not satisfy the given equation, so we cannot take or consider this factor pair, so it is rejected. This factor pair is rejected. Now for second case, we will use the second factor pair, that is 3 square times 3 times 2 cube, and now the given equation will become x square times x cube minus 3 is equal to uh, 3 square times 3 times 2 raised to power 3. Now from this we can write it as 3 square times 3 times 8, and it will become 3 square times 24, and now we can write it as 3 square times this will be equal to 27 minus 3, which is equal to 24. So from this we can write x square times x cube minus 3 is equal to 3 square times 3 cube minus 3, which is exact symmetry on the left hand and right hand side. So by using symmetry, we will get x is equal to 3. That is, by comparing x square term with 3 square and the term x cube with this 3x cube, we will get x is equal to 3. Now to check the validity of this root, we will put this value in the given equation, and given equation is x raised to power 5 minus 3x square minus 216 is equal to 0. Now put x is equal to 3 in this equation, which is the root we find from this factor pair. Now it will become 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 times 3 square minus 216 is equal to 0. Now simplifying this 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 243 minus 9 times 3 is equal to 27 minus 216 is equal to 0. Now, 243 minus 27 is again equal to 216 minus 216 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Hence, this root verify the given equation. Hence, we can see that it is a valid root. Valid root. Now, for the case 3, we will use the third factor pair, which is 6 square times 6. Hence, this equation will become x square times x cube minus 3 is equal to 6 square times 6. From this we can see that we cannot write the right hand side in the same pattern on left hand side, or if we compare the first term, then we can conclude that x is equal to 6, and by putting this value in the given equation, we can clearly see that 6 raised to power 5 is very much greater, and it will not satisfy this given equation, so it is also rejected. Hence from these three cases we find only x is equal to 3, which is the valid root. Hence for this given equation, the only valid positive integer solution is x is equal to 3. That is, so x is equal to 3 is the only valid positive integer solution which satisfies the given equation. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And after watching this video, if you have any other easy solution of this question, please share with us in comment section. Thank you.